Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Oh my gosh, it's been so long since I've even said that. Okay, so I look a mess. I'm about to go into the salon to get my hair silk pressed. I have not had a silk press in literally, I would say 3 years. Anyways, let's go ahead and do this because, oh, and by the way, if you guys are wondering where I've been, I have been deep into wedding planning. Like, I have been so busy with wedding planning and it's just been taking over. That's what I've been doing. It's been a lot. It's been taking a lot of my time. It's like a whole nother job. Honestly, today's video feels like a big reset. Also today, for the first time in years, I'm making a change to my hair. Actually, not even the first time in years. I have never like done any drastic change to my hair. It's not gonna be drastic, but it's definitely going to be a change that I have not done. Like, I don't do changes to my hair. I keep it simple and keep it pushing. But today we're going to do a little bit of a little dip in the toe in the water when it comes to change, and go ahead and get this together. I'm gonna set up my camera. She said that it would be okay if I did that. So I hope you guys love this video. It's a little bit embarrassing for me to come into there with like my whole entire camera set up, but she said it was fine. Stay tuned to the end for a big reveal when it comes to my hair. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Fingers are definitely crossed. So do not look at my nails. I had to cut off all of my nails because two of them broke, and you guys know my nails are usually naturally long, but they're short now, so I'm a little bit insecure about them. So I'm gonna probably be doing this a lot in the video because I don't want you guys to see my nails. They look horrible. Anyways, let's go.
Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm so low. Watching reruns of the same shows, almost everybody on a no-show.
I don't think I want it. No. So you said like it stains your hair?
Yeah, so it's a deep conditioning treatment. So we put on the mask and you sit under the steam for about 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse with cold water, which closes the cuticle. The steam opens the cuticle, helps the moisture penetrate the hair follicle. Then cold water rinse, closes the hair follicle, and seals all the moisture.
Big realize I don't go, never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody just let go of their egos? Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I could.
I just wanted to pop in quickly to say that this was an entire experience. Like, I absolutely love this. The way that she was washing my hair was so relaxing. I almost fell asleep. And honestly, I just love the fact that when I came to the salon, it did not feel like, oh, you're just here to get your hair done. It was like very much more in depth. And also the stylist, I feel like last time I got my hair cut, I was kind of nervous because, yeah, I was just super nervous. But this hairstylist did go more into depth on why she was doing each step, which actually calmed my nerves a lot more. So it actually got me excited to like get my hair cut. I'm like, okay, it's time for a cut, it's time for a refresh. It did not feel scary at all. And that's very different for me because I don't like cutting my hair. And yeah, so I like the way that she just goes through every single step and kind of explains why she's doing it, and it kind of just like calms your nerves. But I don't know, guys, I wasn't able to put in a lot of our conversation, but just know that she kind of went in depth on a lot of things when it comes to hair, and it was very just insightful. I will be putting in a little bit of our conversation, but a lot of it was, you know, behind copyright music, so I had to cut it out because YouTube was going to flag my video again, which I cannot take it anymore, guys. Like, YouTube has been flagging a lot of my content, so I had to be very careful now when it comes to copyright music. Anyway, she has so much knowledge when it comes to hair, but I'm gonna stop talking.
All the same lies. I'm gonna need therapy too. Have dilute all the bad news, 'cause
The square? Yeah, that's like the extreme. There's like levels to it. There's, just for yeah. There's levels. There's like 3 levels.
Oh, if you would show me, if you would show me, yeah. If you would show me, yeah.
Two sides? You want to see both? Yeah. So there's not, it's not a curl, but it's just that wave.
I actually like that.
And do you see how like long your layers are? They're not like here, like the photo, but that's gonna be here when it's straight, but here when it's curly.
That's the only reason I don't want to do it.
Yeah.
Like that.
So we have our longer layers here, and then it would, the whole thing would continue if you did everything. You know what I mean? It still gives that silky look, the flat look.
Yeah.
Did you want to go everywhere?
Is that too much for? Is that like too much for you? Like, you know, I don't want to be.
No, it's styling. It's part of service.
Okay.
Did you want to do that?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
The tighter curl would be like
The tighter curl?
Oh, the tighter curl will be tighter.
It will give more volume. It'll be bigger because it's tighter. So it'll be just like curly hair. It'll be tighter, so it'll be bigger. You know what I mean?
All those photos I showed you with those ones?
Yeah,
okay.
They're all those.
Okay. That's the one I like.
Dreaming, so now I don't know how I'm feeling. Don't know who's the real me. Might need my help and I thought I needed. I can see it. Need more healing, more believing, less deceiving. I don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I could. If you
Girl, what's your problem? Cause I know it's hard sometimes. Maybe just give it some time. Oh, honey, now, girl, we can solve them. If you just give me some time, I can open up your mind. If you let slide, you can free your mind. Cause I know that it's over. I'll never be sober. I couldn't believe, but now I'm so high. And now that it's over, I'll never be sober. I couldn't believe, but now I'm so high. Now I'm so
Okay guys, so I am back from the salon and that was absolutely amazing, like the entire experience. I tried to capture as much as I could, of course while still being respectful to the hairstylist. Hopefully I got enough footage so you guys can see like the full experience, but that was an amazing experience and I highly recommend if you are in the Indianapolis, or you should definitely go to Erica. I'll have all of her information down below because not only did she do my hair well, she also was like telling me so much stuff while at the appointment, which I absolutely love stylists that do that, to help me when I'm not in the hair salon. Also, just like we just discuss a lot about like cosmetology and things like that, and like the importance of using clean tools and just so much stuff that I appreciate to know. So shout out to her. You guys absolutely need to go to her. I like to go to salons like that are more like upscale and like you just feel like you're in a nice professional location, and that is exactly the way I felt there. So like I said, I'll have her Instagram and her booking information down below. It's like, it was an entire experience, like the steaming, the hair steaming, the washing the hair. Like I felt like I was literally in a spa. So it was literally a spa and a hair salon in one, in my opinion.
But yes, guys, so this is what we're working with for the cut. So of course, this is the shortest I've ever had my hair, but it was time for a cut. Like, it was literally time for a cut. It was time for me to do something fresh and new. So I was absolutely open to it. And at the end of the day, your hair will grow back. Me and the stylist agreed that it was time for a whole refresh and to like just clip it away. And like I said, this is the shortest I've ever had my hair. I'll get into a little bit more of like what I've been doing on up into this cut. So I'll be telling you guys a little bit more information about everything. But we're right here, just right below the like the chest area. You guys, it's gonna grow back so fast. Like, you're gonna see how fast my hair is gonna grow back. I'm telling you. So we'll see how all of this goes and all this works out. I'll definitely be keeping you guys updated. I'm re-inspired. This hairstyle literally re-inspired me with my hair. Like, I absolutely love it. I want to do so many different things, and it just re-sparked my love with my hair, because at first I was just so bored. I go through those phases where I get so bored, and this definitely helped me. So there's gonna be lots of content to come. I will not be, you guys are gonna be seeing it all. Like, trust me, there's so much content to come, and I will definitely be back on my channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and sticking around. And if you've been here forever, thank you guys so much for always supporting, always watching my content. Yeah. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe, because like I said, I'm gonna be back with so much more content and you just don't want to miss it. By the way, she did do face frame cut. So my hair up here was cut. I did long layers, but it's not like layers all over the place. It's more of like face framing is what she said. So that is what I did as well. So my hair in the front is cut to frame my face. So I feel like next time I'm gonna get even more framing going on, but I just wanted to start very small, very small, so that I'm not shocked when I like go to do my hair. So we started out on the more beginner stage, but I'm gonna be going back for more layers because Naraya, my daughter, said that this looks really good, and I also think that it looks really good. So I think I want to go a little bit deeper next time. And also I'm gonna be sharing a lot of the newer things that I've been doing, which I'm excited to tell you guys about. So make sure you subscribe. Lots of new things coming and in the works behind the scenes. So I will see you guys in my next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and yeah.